What's up, people? So today's goals will to be to get this dash skin fitted in. Right now it's loosely fit. I'm pulling all the wires through the openings in which they're supposed to go. I'd really be happy just to get this thing attached and try to get the console in today if I can, which means putting in the carpets and stuff like that. At any rate, that's today's goals. Let's see if I can make that happen. But all the wiring is routed properly now, so now it's just a matter of securing those airbags. The passenger front airbag is probably the biggest bitch, and then going up underneath the driver's side knee airbag, there's 2 bolts, or 2 screws I should say, that are also a bitch. It's just hard laying on this floor here. So at any rate, that's today's goals. See if we can't get her done, so we can move forward with this 2012 project.